So now question number 12 is mm, this. The first four terms of a geometric progressions are 1, 3, 9, and 27. Find the smallest number of terms that will give a sum greater than 2000 thousands. Okay. So what we will do, we go back to the whiteboard. We have to find the sum. Okay, the given GP is given GP is 13927, 13927, and so on. Continue. Okay. We have to find n. We have to find n means number of terms for which Sn is any sum to n terms is greater than 2000 thousands. For this finding, we are given a as 1, r is 3 upon 1, so basically equal to 3. Okay, and n we don't know. So now, because Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Reason why we are using this, because r is greater than 1. Okay, so now Sn is greater than, we are given a reference. Okay, Sn, so we will consider the sum to n terms is 2000 is 2000. Okay, the sum will be 2000, and the number of terms should be exceeding that one. So what we will do, I want to move this. Yes. So greater than, this should be greater than 2000. So what should be greater than? A is 1 and r is 3 power n minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. Okay. So now continuing with this one. So 3 minus 1 will become 2. 2 multiplied by 2000 will become equal to 4000, and then this minus 1 will go to the right hand side. So basically this will become 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1. Okay, now what should we do? We will apply log here. So I am applying ln on both sides. Ln. Okay, so after applying this, so n is greater than ln 4 penta zeros upon ln 3. So n will be greater than, using calculator, we will find that n is greater than 13.8. So the next integer value for n, because this was the requirement that the sum should be greater than 2000. So n must be greater than this value which we are getting. So therefore n is equal to 14, and this is the answer. Okay. Yes, a ball is thrown vertically upwards from the ground. The ball rises to a height of 10 meters and then falls and bounces. After each bounce, it rises to 4 upon 5 of the height of the previous bounce. Write down an expression in terms of n for the height that the ball rises after the nth impact with the ground. Okay. So now we go to the whiteboard. Okay. So if I show you the ball is thrown vertically upward, so I cannot show the upward movement like this. So to show it clearly, I will show like this. This is going upward, and then this is going from the same height to the ground, and then this is going like this. But this time, after bouncing, this will not be going to the same height as it was in the previous throw. Okay, so then like this, then like this, and so on. Okay, so it means if you see this uh, the question was write down an expressions in terms of n for the height that the ball rises after the nth impact. So what is the impact? Impact is basically the bounce. So after the bounce, that will, if we consider this is basically third impact. So after third impact, this will go like this. So it means we will apply the formula for Tn for the last term formula. But here the last term is one term more. So that is why this will be Tn plus 1, not Tn. Okay, if this could be like this, high gone, then bouncing, and then going up, and then going down, and like this. So in this case, we would have considered Tn. But in this, they are asking after the impact. Impact means after the bounce. So that is why Tn plus 1. So Tn plus 1 formula is used for Tn formula. So basically, what is Tn? Tn is AR power n minus 1. Okay. Tn is AR power n minus 1. So Tn plus 1 will be equal to AR power n. Instead of n, we are writing n plus 1, and this is minus 1. So finally, Tn plus 1 is equal to AR power n. Okay. So this is what the formula will become. Now, what is the value of A? So what will be the GP? So I did not introduce the GP, as in the question, the ball was thrown vertically upward from the ground, and the height it reached, that was 10 meters. Okay, that was 10 meters. So this one, 10 meters. So from the 10 meters, this will coming back to the ground, 10 meters. Then for the second one, this this rises 4 upon 5 times of this. So this will become 10 into 4 upon 5. Okay. In the same way, this will go like this. So the GP is 10, and then 10 multiplied by 4 upon 5, then 10 multiplied by 4 upon 5 square, and so on. Okay. But you might be thinking, but there are 210, there are the two numbers are everywhere 10, 10. Then these are same. So what we will do? Basically, this series is either for going up. So for going up, this will be used like this, uh, different color, like this, like this, like this. So basically, if we consider this, and this, so the GP will become like this. And if we consider only the down traveling or coming back to the ground or for the bouncing, so that will be like this. ओके, सिर्फ ऊपर जाने के लिए ये यूज करेंगे हम, तो भी सीरीज यही बननी है। और अगर सिर्फ नीचे आने की जो अगर हम जीपी बनाएंगे तो वो ये बनेगी। ओके ओके, so coming back to the question, so therefore a is equal to 10 and r is equal to straight away 4 upon 5. Okay, so now we will apply the formula. And where will we apply the formula? In this one. In this. So Tn plus 1, therefore Tn plus 1 will be equal to a, r is 4 upon 5 whole power n. Okay, this is what we used. And this is the answer. We have to find the total distance in part B. We have to find the total distance that ball travels from the first throw to the fifth impact with the ground. Okay, so with the same concept, I go to the next page. We are doing exercise 11.4, right? Question number 13, part B. Okay, and we have to find the total distance to find the total distance from first throw to the fifth impact. From first throw to the fifth impact. Okay, so ये अब कैसे होगा? This was supposed कि ये यूं throw हुई, that is one. So this one. So first impact, second impact, third impact, fourth impact, fifth impact. This is fifth. This one is fifth impact. Okay. So what we will do, the sum formula is because Sn is equal to the value of r is less than is in between -1 and +1. So we will use this formula, a into 1 minus r power n upon 1 minus r. So because n is 5, fifth impact. Okay, so if we just see the upper one, this one. Okay, So that is to the similar to the impact one. The impact are 5 and these are 5. So basically there are two GPs for going up and coming down. Okay, so what we will do, we will multiply the whole calculation by 2. Okay, so what is the value of A? Value of A is 10. 1 minus R is 4 upon 5. Power n is 5. Okay, and upon 1 minus R. 1 minus R. So if we calculate this, this will become 20. Yes, 20, and 20 will multiply 5 on the 5 minus 4, 1 upon 5. So this will become 5. And in the bracket, what is happening? 1 minus 4 power 5 is 1024. 1024, and 5 power 5 is 3125. 3125. Okay, so this will become 100 multiplied by 3125 multiplied by 1, and then 3125 minus 1024 will become 2101. 2101 upon 3125. Now multiplying 100 with 2101 and dividing by 3125, the sum of the total sum of the ball traveling distance will be, we can write here as total, will be 67.232, and this is the answer.